Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Razer Kraken V3 X on PS5. First, ensure your headset is fully charged or connected via its USB cable to the console. Simply plug the USB-A connector from your Razer Kraken V3 X into any open USB port on your PlayStation 5. The headset should power on automatically, indicated by its lighting. Your PS5 will usually recognize the new audio device right away, making setup straightforward. Now let's fine-tune your PS5 audio settings. From your PlayStation 5 home screen, go to the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Scroll down and select Sound, then choose Audio Output. Here, you'll find an option for Output Device. Make sure to select USB Headset, Razer Kraken V3 X, to direct all game and chat audio through your new headset. This ensures you get the full immersive experience. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. It really supports the channel. And on another note, staying focused during intense gaming sessions is key, and staying hydrated helps a lot. Quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold and within reach. You can find a link to it, along with other awesome deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, we'll set up your microphone for clear communication. While still in the sound settings, navigate to the microphone section. Here, you need to verify that your input device is also set to USB headset, Razer Kraken V3 X. After selecting your headset, use the Adjust Microphone Level slider to find the perfect volume. You can speak into the mic to test it, ensuring your voice comes through clearly, without being too loud or too quiet for your friends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.